back to another episode of The Curator's Corner. Today in this episode, Cooking with the Curator, we're going to be getting a recipe from the Palatists Book of Cookery, which was written by the Assistance League of Southern California in 1933. Anita Baldwin, who we've heard about before, served as the chairman and wrote the foreword for this cookbook. And the recipe we'll be doing today is peanut butter bread. So for our peanut butter bread recipe, I did print out a copy of the recipe itself, so we won't get our book dirty, of course. And some of these ingredients you might already have at home, which include flour, baking powder, salt, sugar, peanut butter, and milk. So the first thing we will be including in our recipe is 2 cups of flour. The next item to include in our recipe is 4 teaspoons of baking powder. The next item is to include 1 teaspoon of salt. The next ingredients that our recipe asks for is a 1/3 cup of sugar and 1/2 cup of peanut butter. The last thing our recipe asks for is 1.25 cups of milk. I forgot my 1/4 cup measuring cup, so I am kind of eyeballing it to see how much is needed in our recipe. The next step is just to mix it all together. To make sure that our bread does not stick to our pan, I'm adding about a teaspoon of oil and just smearing it around and then dumping the mixture that we just made. Our recipe is to put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 1 hour. We'll check in back soon.
Alright, so Stevie invited me in here and she gave me this peanut butter bread. It looks really, really good. It smells like a giant peanut butter cookie on like a little bite. Tastes like if you put peanut butter on toast and then just smashed up and ate it. It was pretty good.
Thanks once again for joining us for this episode of The Curator's Corner, where we learned how to cook some peanut butter bread. And thank you for Brittany for being our taste tester for our bread today. If you wish for us to make some more of these episodes, please let us know. Hope you guys have a great day and thanks for joining us. Bye!